I say no be small thing o. Before the show start that yesterday, tension everywhere. Big Brother come dey take time. He say na 7 o'clock now they go take start the show. Before we look, so much delay. The channel just dey like that. No noise, no nothing. They no dey talk. They just keep their banner for there like that. We come dey wait. They wait for over 40 minutes. People come dey if you see tension wey dey hold me for where I dey, tension dey hold me. Say wetin make Big Brother never start. My friends come dey tell me say so me calm down. I say this one no be calm down matter. Some of them come even dey complain wetin come dey happen. Big Brother wan just break our heart. I say okay, na fit say na only me dey complain. Before I speak, I check social media like this. Everywhere dey crash fire. People dey ask question wetin dey happen. They don postpone am. They no wan do am again. But I look and say, be like say they get technical error, they get some challenges with their equipment or something. Maybe that make they not quick start. I say, when they finally come up, the happiness. If you see me with the way I dey jubilate or where I dey, I say, oh God, thank God, say these people they don't finally restart our show. Show what we don't wait for, the biggest show in Africa. The show where be say many people they anticipate, people they wait for, say they won't watch. At the end of the day, now call they break our heart like this. But finally, they call later start. When they start, I say na me happy pass. Na me happy pass as they start, because I know say, if you not start that yesterday, a person will call go they think throughout the night will not call sleep. Anyhow, now it does start. This Big Brother house, see environment, see color combination, see decor. Oh boy. That house na house to be. They talk of paradise. The way they describe paradise, be like say that Big Brother house na be paradise where they talk. Because the way that house be na be the paradise where they talk. That place na heaven on earth. Big Brother house na place to be. To even enter that house alone, no be small thing. Only entering that house alone, my dear, you don made. So anybody will get opportunity to enter that Big Brother house, I want to say congratulations to all the housemates wey fit enter the house yesterday. Congratulations to now, because it's not easy to enter that place. For Big Brother to have chosen you at all, for you to be among the chosen one, it's not easy. It means you're already a winner. So being in that house alone makes you a winner. You are accomplished, you are made in life. Because you don't already be superstar, you will be honored anywhere you enter in Nigeria or in the world. Before I continue, the theme of the show for this season, Big Brother season 6, na shine your eye. Shine your eye, na be the theme of the show. So the shine your eye means say you got to be smart, you got to be at alert, no dulling. You have to be awake. You need to be awake and check things, know wetin dey happen for your environment. And before you make choice of your favorite, you have to be sure that this person you are choosing is the right person, because may not be like say you just choose for choosing sake. You have to be sure. Check the person character, check the way they behave, check the way they react to certain things. So this program are basically to experiment and see how people they react to different situations around them. See how people they behave, and see how people they behave, especially when they are in secluded environment, place where be saying now only them they, or they have few or less persons to actually interact with. They want to see how they behave, how they react. And this program now to make people come into limelight, to help people get employment, and to help us, we the viewers, to be entertained. You know, we need entertainment for this our country. We need something to keep us happy, because most of the time people just make things, government they make things they one kind, so people not they happy. So this program now to make us happy. Officially, the show they show for channel 198 for DSTV and GoTV channel 29. So if you want watch, if you want follow up, now those two channels you go feed they follow them up. I know say they go they do recap on Sundays or Saturdays and Sundays for African Magic Family. So if you want really watch the show, watch them for channel 198 on your DSTV and GoTV channel 29. You go feel enjoy them from there. Where for those of you that cannot watch the show, or you are not in Nigeria, you can come to YouTube and get all the gist, analysis and reviews on YouTube. Now we get 11 housemates for the house. They don't bring 11 housemates, and the 11 housemates they don't bring so far, all of them are male housemates. Only men, only boys they don't bring come so far. So today, this evening, they go bring the remaining housemates come, and I'm sure say now most of them or all of them go be female housemates. For now, only the boys just they party with themselves, they jollificate, they catch friendship, you know, they try to know each other and talk about their life and all that, so they still dey meet theirself for now. So this evening they go bring in the female housemate. So the first housemate wey enter the house yesterday, him name na Boma. Very cute guy. In short, all the housemates wey enter the house, all of them fine finish. When you see them, you go believe say God take him time take create all these people, and Big Brother sef take time take select the best. Before anybody enter that Big Brother house, Big Brother dey cross check, they experiment them, they know say these people they are worth entering this house, because the way they take they cute they come, the way that they fine, the way that they intelligent, most of them you go know say yes, this one they really take time take create am, and Big Brother take time take select am before he come the house. So number one person wey enter na Boma be name. He said he's 34 years old, and he na missiologist wey also dey do some modeling, and he be former footballer. He said he was raised by a single mom and grandmother. Boma don marry before he come divorce. Boma suffer injury during football tryouts. He dey determined to never ever give up and hold on unto him faith. His Instagram handle na at Boma Akpore. The number 2 housemate wey enter the house yesterday, him name na Saga, and he is 28 years old engineer wey come from Lagos State. Okun Saga aka Saga say him go bring vibe into the house. He say the lowest point for him life na when he hear say him mama, when him be described as the best friend, dies. Number 3 person wey enter the house yesterday, him name na Yusuf, and this biracial Nigerian be teacher wey come from Jos, that's Plateau State, and plan to bring lot of entertainment for the show. Him say him go like make people dey call am Yusef. Okay, this guy, he looks more like an Indian man, because he no dey trend for social media. He look like an Indian, but I sure say na one of him parents, either him papa or him mama, na him be Indian, then the other parents na Nigerian. So the number 4 person wey enter the house yesterday, him name na Pere. Pere say he dey like drama and gbas. Na one of the housemates wey Ebuka announced as housemate on the show that yesterday. He say he be actor, and he plan to bring spontaneity to the audience on the show. So this guy na worried guy, and you know say worry no dey carry last, so we hope say this one go far, because worry boys dey always dey go far for entertainment shows like this. We hope say this one go far this time. Okay, the number 5th person wey enter, that's number 5 person wey enter na White Money. Oh boy, this White Money, the guy look like a real typical conk Igbo man. The way they talk, the way they behave, the way they even they look, you go know say this one na real Igbo. Everything about am na Igbo. Everything just dey show Igbo. So this guy, so the way they come, he come in very funny, and he say he be businessman wey dey into import of shoes. Multi-talented White Money describe himself as open-minded, jolly good fellow wey like to cash fun. The 29-year-old Lagos-based White Money originally come from Enugu State. Meanwhile, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button by your right hand side, and hit on the bell icon beside the red subscribe button. Make sure you select all so that you get alert of all my videos. Number 6th person wey enter the house yesterday is a former footballer from Oyo State, and he don marry with one pikin. His name na Niyi. He's also a businessman wey don run fantasy game platform and event business for Cape Town, South Africa. The number 7th housemate to enter the house, his name na Yerins, and he na medical doctor wey say they like to eat well even when the food no dey show for him body. He describe himself as a polymath wey get undying love for many creative things. The number 8th person wey enter the house yesterday na John Paul, and he is 29 years old. 29 years old John Paul come from Calabar, Cross River State. He describe himself as a social butterfly. He be complete entertainer when they run tourism business. John Paul dey act, sing, dance as well. The number 9 person wey enter the house yesterday, his name na Emmanuel, and this guy na Mr. Africa na they call am. He dey into pageantry and he na winner of Mr. Africa. He dey single and he say possibility dey say he go fit mingle, so meaning he go fit hook up anytime for the house. The number 10 housemate wey enter the house, him name na Sammy. Sammy na final year student wey dey study guidance and counseling for Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria. So he come from Kaduna State and plan to enjoy himself for the show. So the number 11 housemate to come into the house yesterday, his name na Cross. Cross is 31-year-old. Ikechukwu love clubbing. His other name na Ikechukwu. Ikechukwu love clubbing, dancing. Ikechukwu, also known as Cross, loves clubbing, dancing, and he like make women dey fight over am. So everybody, we're gonna keep our eyes on Cross because he say he like make women dey fight for a matter. So we go dey watch am, dey see how he dey behave to dey make women dey fight. We go see how he go dey give us drama and wetin he go dey do to dey make the women dey fight. I pray make he no quick go house, so because if he dey cause wahala everywhere, you go quick go house. So we'll be watching and seeing if he's going to be causing problem. Like he said he like make people dey fight, make man and woman dey fight. So our eyes are on you, Cross. Don't forget to like this video. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Share and please shine your eye as you're watching the program. Shine your eye.